Band supporters attacked a team of Manipur police personnel last night at Moreh. 9 police personnel, including the Superintendent of Police, Technopal District, and 6 Band supporters were reportedly injured in the incident. Meanwhile, Kuki civil society groups are organizing a massive protest rally in Moreh today. Kuki social organizations have imposed an indefinite ban on the Imphal-Moreh road, demanding the state government to terminate all commando personnel involved in trashing 2 youths on 13th of March. Simmering tensions prevailed in Moreh town bordering Myanmar following the 13th March incident. Residents of Jasad, armed with weapons, were reportedly blocking road at Sampui Junction under Kamjong district. According to the report, no vehicles were allowed to pass the area by hundreds of people from Jasad village. Sources said unidentified people set afire large tract of jhum fields already prepared for cultivation in the village yesterday. The villagers are protesting and blaming Sampui village for the arson attack. Meanwhile, unidentified people torched at least 30 houses at Jasad, sources said. Purely driven by their concerns for the environment, 2 young educated unemployed local youths have teamed up to make Ukhrul a garbage-free town. The duo has already begun waste-picking services to ensure safe house-to-land disposal of trash, sending a loud message to the public to stop littering in and around Ukhrul. A team of Kaching police, including women personnel, arrested a women drug peddler and seized 12.77 grams of heroin from her possession at Kaching Turil Wangma last morning. The arrested has been identified as 38-year-old Mayang Mayum Amubi Bibi, alias Sarah, wife of Muhammad Hafizuddin of Sora Iringban Lamkhai. A 5-day-long legal awareness program under the theme Justice is Truth began today at Manipur Central Sajiwa Jail, Imphal East District. The program is organized under the sponsorship of Manipur State Legal Services Authority, Legal Aid Clinic, Manipur Central Jail in collaboration with District Legal Services Authority, Imphal. 5 accused, including a juvenile, were arrested by the police from Hairok under Thoubal district yesterday in connection with a street brawl. The incident happened on 27th February, wherein some youths used small arms and sticks. Union Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Field Outreach Bureau, Imphal, organized an awareness program on COVID-19 at Community Hall of Utlo Awang Lekai. Member of Utlo Gram Panchayat Ward No. 2 K. Premjit Singh, Executive Engineer, Department of Agriculture K. Ibuchau Singh, District Surveillance Officer Bishnupur District Dr. L. Raichandra Singh and several others attended the awareness program. The 6th Northeast Kung Fu and Kickboxing Championship 2020 concluded yesterday at Shivsagar in Assam. The championship, organized by All India Kung Fu Federation, started from 12th March. Host Assam clinched the team championship title by winning 14 gold medals, while Manipur took the runners-up title, bagging 8 gold, 4 silver and 7 bronze medals. The International Olympic Committee (IOC) will hold talks with the heads of international sports organizations tomorrow in response to the coronavirus outbreak, according to media reports. With less than 5 months to go until the scheduled start of Tokyo 2020 Olympics on 24th July, questions have been raised as to whether the Games can go ahead. However, Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe and Tokyo 2020 organizers have reiterated that preparations are going on for the Games to be held as planned.